All right, let's get started. George Sugar here in Matrix, and what we're going to do today is look at multi-chain workflows for market requirement documents. Now, the workflows are pretty extensive, but we're going to run through a phase one of these and just show you how we can automate this and really speed up the process as we look at more information for product managers where they can make their decisions faster. So we're going to go through here, and what we have here is an AI-powered MRD for a wearable medical device. And we're going to take a look at conceptualizing the target market. We want to look at industry trends and forecasts. We're going to look at the competitive landscape and a little bit of analysis on that. Who's the target audience? What's the demographics? What are their pain points and unmet needs? And then finally, looking at some existing solutions and their limitations so we can possibly see a gap that we can fill in the market. And that's basically your market requirements document before you move on to a products requirement document. So what we're going to do is we have already done a lot of the legwork here, and we're going to move over to ChatGPT. What we want to do is look for this one, and we are going to run that. Here we go. So the purpose is to set up a framework, have your prompts tested, then be able to move into multi-products that you may want to go back and look at existing products that are in the market and run up some market requirement documents. You may have new products that you're bringing on and want to do some market research on those. Or you may be using something like a blue ocean strategy where you're trying to uncover niches or micro niches to dive into and see if you can service those. And we'll just let this run for a little bit, and then we'll check it out and just see how it is. Now, some of the ones that we use, are pretty sophisticated, and what we'll do is we'll put those through an automated workflow. Combine that into a market requirements document, either in Google Docs, could be in a presentation format like Google Slides. It might be in the Microsoft environment, so that would be Microsoft Word. So these can be generated, and then if you want to really get fancy and automate them, have them go to emails and distribute them to all the people that need to review these. Let's just look at some of this stuff. So we're getting key industry players and innovations out there. We're getting some sources out there. A lot of these tools, I'm already just kind of scanning this. Effective tools for health management and disease prevention. Yeah, if you have a wearable medical device on you and that's tuned up to some sort of metric on the other side, whether it's a physician's assistant, a doctor, could be pre-surgery, post-surgery, could be just normal life. A lot of health care. So here we're looking at a prompt. Again, some of the questions that they may ask about this: navigating the financial aspects of wearable medical devices. Who pays for it? Wearable devices in public health beyond individual patient care. So now we're really looking at researching the pains and desires of patients, understanding patient concerns. So if I don't have a wearable, I may get a delayed diagnosis and treatment. I have health anxiety. It may escalate into other chronic issues. So you can see how the advantages and benefits of a medical wearable device are advantageous. So now I'm getting some statistical insights and case studies, data accuracy and reliability, regulatory compliance, interoperability with healthcare systems. So if we go up to the top and we look at this and we start going through this document, and it's easily to copy it over to a full document, but I have an introduction, I've got the evolution of the wearable devices, impact on healthcare delivery and management, very general, some of the challenges and considerations. So this document's great. So this is the beginning of my market requirements document. So I can automatically start with something, as you saw, very quickly, rather than having to do the research myself. Now the beauty of it is, if you have a private LLM model, maybe from your customer support, we can tap into that. All the customer support issues and questions you may have from your customers. We can use a hybrid model where we're using public and private data, or we could just use a public one. And that's pretty much what you have seen here with ChatGTP. If we go into something like a Vertex AI with Google or Watson X, we can start doing hybrid models and really getting the models tuned. So if you have any questions, look us up on the web or give us a call. Thanks for listening.